So to fix crashing problem on Candy Crush Saga, this is what you have to do. First, go to your phone menu, scroll to the bottom, and you're going to find settings. Just tap on it when you see it. After that, you are going to be around this place. So over here, you have to search for apps and notification. Just tap on it, or apps and preference and other phones. So after tapping on it, just tap on see all apps or see app list or app list. Just tap on it, it's all the same. After that, you have to search for the Candy Crush Saga game. So over here, I don't have a Candy Crush Saga game, so what I have to do is I'm going to use um, a demo app to demonstrate to you. So let me search for the demo app. So um, at the search bar over here, you have to search for Candy Crush Saga game, and it's going to appear like this. When it appears like this, just tap on it, and after that, what you have to do firstly is to check the notification. So you turn it on, you make sure it's on like this. Then after that, you check the mobile data and Wi-Fi, and other phones you have mobile data restrictions. So you have to make sure it's turned on like this. Then you go back, you tap on the force stop. After doing this, what you have to do lastly is to check the permissions, make sure everything is allowed over here to fix the crashing problem. So just check the storage and cache, clear the cache, and after that tap on the clear storage. Then after that you tap on OK to clear the storage. After doing all this, what you have to do lastly is to restart your phone. So when you restart your phone and it's still facing the same problem, what you have to do is to check the update on Play Store. Yeah, so when you check the update on Play Store, just update it and everything is going to work perfectly for you. See my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends. Peace. See you in the next one.